Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. And today I will be covering one of the most simplest tools used in Adobe Photoshop, which is called the frame tool. Now the frame tool is super useful as well, especially if you are designing pages for a particular type of document. So those type of pages could be for a magazine or a small booklet or even for your thesis project that you're trying to make, right? So you must have seen those pages where, especially with those magazine pages where they have like a really big uh, image right here on one side and then they have a lot of text on the other side, right? So you can use the frame tool for that. So the frame tool comes in handy only for images, right? So I'm going to show you how that's done. So right here, this is the frame tool. And as you can see, like when I activate my frame tool, the first option that comes up is of this box shape, right? So I'm going to show you. So for example, I make this one small box like this, right? Oops. So I'm going to make this one small box like this, right? So now, for example, I want to add an image inside this box, right? So I'm going to show you that. So for example, I am going to be using this black and white image. So I'm just going to drag that right over here inside this box. So as you can see that it gets fit automatically, and the blue outlines you see right here, this thin light blue stroke, that is the actual size of this black and white image, right? So I can just move this image around left and right, up or down, however I want. And as you can see that it's only going to be visible inside this frame right over here. So if I take it outside like over here, then it comes out. But if I come back right in like this, then it automatically gets fit inside this frame like that. So if I want to make another copy of this frame, that's really easy. So all you have to do is I just click on Alt, right? And drag this down like this, and you'll get another copy like that. Okay. So of course you can, if you double click on this, wait. Yes, if you double click on this, you can also resize the box in case if you want. For example, if you want it to be even more smaller like that, you can do that. And then of course adjust the image accordingly like this, right? So, but for example, you want a frame to be of another shape, right? So you can do that as well. You can use this circle option right here. So for example, if I make this really big box right here, and you can see that within this box, this circle pops up, right? So it's basically the same thing, except it's in a circle or an ellipse shape. I'm going to add in a different image inside. So I'm going to use this image, drag this image right over here. So as you can see, this is an image of a man wearing a denim jacket. So of course, you can use the move tool to move the image around accordingly within the shape like that. And of course, double click on the shape to resize this and adjust your image accordingly like that. But what if you want your frame to be of a different size? You do not want it to be in a circle. You can use one of these shapes right here from this shape panel. So for example, I want my frame to be in a polygon in a polygon shape. So I'm going to select that and I'm just going to make one polygon like this, right? So I'm just going to get that over here. So let's change the color. As you can see that I have changed the color of this polygon to be black. Right, so for example, I want my frame to be in this polygon shape. So how do I do that? So, no. So, no, I'm not going to go to edit. I will come over here on this layer which says polygon 1. Right, so I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to select this option which says convert to frame. So once that happens, I'm just going to let the frame's name be, let's say, polygon, and I'm going to just resize this as well. The width was 371. I'm going to make the height to be 371 as well, like that, and click on OK. Okay, so there you go. We have our frame ready. So then you can just drag any type of image you want. So I'm just going to drag this image right over here, and there you go, like this. So as you can see, it's that easy to make different kinds of frames using the shapes from here, and of course adjusting the image according to your frame size. So there you go. We have now covered up all the frame tools and how you can use the frame tools and adjust them accordingly. So I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice you will soon get the hang of the frame tool. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.